The brother and the sister dolphins. Introducing the sister Luna. Introducing the brother, this is Gabriel. And performing beautiful lady Olga. I call lady Olga the Wonder Woman. Ready to go? Sit tight, let the action begin. Yalla! Welcome to my campaign. It's super cool. It's called the Beautiful One. We call them the bottlenose dolphins. So everybody, get your cameras ready now. Focus on the front stage. The dolphin will come to say hello to everybody. Namaste. Come on, Dolphin. Ta'al Habibti. Ta'al Namowe. Everyone, cameras ready. I'm calling the dolphin for you. Come on. Magic. Wonders. I love. Only for you. Ibisuba, Gabriel. Well, thank you, Dolphin. You're the one in the house. You are amazing, boy. Thank you, dolphins. And the water is so cold. We're shining, we're rolling. We play now. The dolphin speed. To show you how fast a dolphin can swim, saving people from drowning in the water. Fire! Did you know, friends, the dolphin have the capability to swim 40 to 42 kilometers per hour, mashallah. World. Only half meter, we love now. Right to enjoy. Right to the fun. We call them